We all dream of a bathroom that feels like a spa. Imagine stepping into a space where the air is filled with a calming aroma, the surfaces gleam with cleanliness, and every detail invites you to relax. This dream can be a reality with a little effort and attention to detail, a place to relax and unwind. Your bathroom should be a sanctuary, a place where you can escape the stresses of daily life. Whether it's a long soak in the tub or a quick refreshing shower, the environment plays a crucial role in how rejuvenated you feel. But a clean, fresh-smelling bathroom is about more than just relaxation. It's about creating a space that promotes health and well-being. Cleanliness in the bathroom is essential for preventing the spread of germs and bacteria, which can cause illness. It's about hygiene and well-being for you and your family. A clean bathroom ensures that everyone in your household can use the space safely and comfortably. It's especially important for young children who are more susceptible to infections. A clean bathroom reduces germs and bacteria. Regular cleaning and disinfecting of surfaces like sinks, toilets, and countertops can significantly lower the risk of illness. Using the right cleaning products can make this task easier and more effective. This is especially important in households with young children. Kids often touch surfaces and then their faces, making it crucial to keep those surfaces as clean as possible. Teaching children good hygiene habits like washing their hands starts with providing a clean environment. A fresh scent can also boost your mood and create a welcoming atmosphere. Using air fresheners, essential oils, or even fresh flowers can enhance the overall experience of your bathroom. A pleasant scent can make the space feel more inviting and comfortable. Think of your bathroom as an extension of your home's personality. The decor and cleanliness of your bathroom reflect your personal style and attention to detail. Matching towels, stylish accessories, and thoughtful organization can make a big difference. It deserves the same care and attention as any other room. Just like your living room or bedroom, your bathroom should be a place you take pride in. Regularly organizing and decluttering can help maintain a clean and pleasant environment. Let's dive into some simple tips and tricks to transform your bathroom into a fresh and inviting space. Start by setting a regular cleaning schedule. Use effective cleaning products and tools. Don't forget to pay attention to details like mirrors and fixtures. With a little effort, you can create a bathroom that not only looks great, but also supports the health and happiness of your family. Essential oils are a natural way to freshen up your bathroom. They offer a variety of scents to choose from. Lavender is calming, citrus is uplifting, and peppermint is invigorating. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to a diffuser. You can also put a few drops on a cotton ball and place it in a discreet corner. Experiment with different scents to find what you love most. You can even blend oils to create your own signature fragrance. Creating your own air freshener is easy and cost-effective. Combine water, baking soda, and a few drops of essential oil in a spray bottle. Shake well and mist the air as needed. The baking soda helps neutralize odors, while the essential oil adds a pleasant scent. For an extra touch, add a sprig of rosemary or a few slices of lemon to the bottle. This adds a decorative element and infuses the air freshener with a natural fragrance. A clean sink is essential for a fresh bathroom. Start by removing any items from the sink and countertop. Sprinkle baking soda over the surface of the sink. Use a damp sponge or cloth to gently scrub the baking soda, paying extra attention to any stains. Rinse the sink thoroughly with water. For a shiny finish, wipe the sink dry with a clean cloth. Your sink is now sparkling clean and ready to use. Section 5. Tackling the toilet. A hygienic approach. Cleaning the toilet is often seen as one of the least pleasant household chores, but with the right approach, it can be quick, efficient, and even satisfying. Cleaning the toilet doesn't have to be a dreaded chore. With a systematic approach, you can make this task much easier and more effective. Let's break it down step by step. Start by putting on a pair of cleaning gloves. This is crucial for protecting your hands from harsh chemicals and bacteria. Make sure the gloves fit well and are comfortable to wear. Apply your preferred toilet bowl cleaner to the inside of the bowl. There are many types of cleaners available, from eco-friendly options to heavy-duty solutions. Choose one that suits your needs and preferences. Let the cleaner sit for a few minutes to break down any stains. This waiting period is essential as it allows the chemicals to work on loosening grime and killing germs. Use a toilet brush to scrub the bowl thoroughly, paying attention to the rim and under the rim. These areas often harbor the most bacteria and can be the hardest to clean, so take your time to ensure they are spotless. Flush the toilet to rinse away the cleaner and dirt. This step not only removes the cleaning agent, but also ensures that any loosened debris is washed away, leaving the bowl clean and fresh. Wipe down the exterior of the toilet with disinfectant wipes. This includes all surfaces that are frequently touched and can harbor germs. This includes the seat, lid, handle, and base. Pay special attention to these areas as they are often the most contaminated. Regular cleaning of these parts can prevent the spread of bacteria and maintain a hygienic bathroom environment. Don't forget to clean the area around the toilet as well. The floor and surrounding tiles can also accumulate dirt and bacteria. Use a mop or a cloth with a suitable cleaner to ensure the entire area is hygienic. After finishing the cleaning process, it's important to wash your hands thoroughly. Use soap and warm water and make sure to scrub for at least 20 seconds. Dry your hands with a clean towel to avoid recontamination. With these steps, your toilet will be clean, fresh, and hygienic. Regular maintenance and a systematic approach can make this task much less daunting and ensure a healthier bathroom environment for you and your family. Remember, a clean toilet is not just about appearance. It's about maintaining a healthy and hygienic home. Happy cleaning! Section 6. Beyond the basics. Maintaining a fresh bathroom. Regular cleaning is key to maintaining a fresh bathroom. Wipe down surfaces daily to prevent dirt and grime buildup. Wash towels and bath mats frequently. Empty the trash can regularly to prevent odors. Keep the bathroom well ventilated by opening a window or using the exhaust fan. Small, consistent efforts make a big difference in keeping your bathroom fresh and inviting. Section 7. The power of routine. Consistency is key. Establishing a cleaning routine makes bathroom maintenance more manageable. Set aside a specific time each week to clean your bathroom. Break down tasks into smaller chunks. You can tackle one area each day, such as the sink, toilet, or floors. Create a checklist to ensure you cover all areas. As you stick to your routine, cleaning will become second nature. Section 8. Creating a relaxing ambiance, more than just cleanliness. A fresh-smelling bathroom is just one aspect of creating a relaxing atmosphere. Add some decorative touches to enhance the ambiance. Place a vase of fresh flowers on the counter or a shelf. Light scented candles or use a diffuser with your favorite essential oils. Choose soft, absorbent towels and bath mats in colors that complement your bathroom decor. Section 9. Embrace the transformation. Enjoy your fresh bathroom. Congratulations! You've taken the first step towards creating a space that not only looks good but feels good too. A clean bathroom is more than just a chore. It's a sanctuary where you can unwind and rejuvenate. By following these simple tips, you've transformed your bathroom into a fresh and inviting space. From scrubbing the tiles to ensuring every corner is spotless, your efforts have paid off. The air is now filled with a pleasant aroma, and every surface gleams with cleanliness. Now it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Gather your family and celebrate this achievement together. Feel the joy and satisfaction of having a pristine bathroom that everyone can appreciate. Relax in a hot bath surrounded by calming scents. Light some candles, add some bath salts, and let the stress of the day melt away. This is your moment to indulge in some well-deserved self-care. Take pride in knowing your bathroom is a clean and hygienic haven for you and your family. It's a place where you can start your day feeling refreshed and end it feeling relaxed. Your hard work has created a safe and pleasant environment for everyone. Remember, a little effort goes a long way in creating a bathroom that feels like a true oasis. Regular maintenance will keep it looking and feeling fresh. A quick wipe of the mirror, a spray of cleaner, and some organization can make a big difference. Embrace the transformation and enjoy. Your bathroom is now a place of comfort and cleanliness. Whether you're getting ready for the day or winding down at night, this space is a testament to your dedication and care. Enjoy every moment in your fresh, inviting bathroom.